This demo compares the spatial temperature profile in a fin with 4 different tip boundary conditions. The tip exposed to convection, an adiabatic tip, a tip at a fixed temperature equal to the fluid temperature T infinity, and an infinite fin. The analysis assumes steady state, one-dimensional heat conduction in the fin, constant thermal properties, a fin base temperature T sub B pinned at 300 Kelvin, and no radiation or volumetric heat generation. Adjust the thermal conductivity of the fin, the ambient fluid temperature, and the heat transfer coefficient with the slider bars. Also, adjust the ratio between the cross-sectional perimeter and the cross-sectional area with the slider bar. The spatial temperature profiles for each tip boundary condition are shown in the top plot. The total heat dissipated by each fin and the fin effectiveness are calculated and shown visually in the lower left and lower right plots.